Hello everyone, I'm Vicky and today I want to introduce X-rays. In my presentation, it will include introductions, device overview and working principles, and the capabilities, advantages and shortcomings, and the future developments and impact. First, introduction. The X-ray machine is a device that produces X-rays. It is mainly composed of X-ray bulb and X-ray electrical source and control circuit. X-ray bulb is composed of cathode filament and anode target and vacuum glass tube. The X-ray power supply can be divided into two parts, high voltage power supply and filament power supply. The picture shows the full structures of an X-ray machine. And then let's talk about the device overview. In these structures, the filament power supply is used to heat the filament, and the high voltage output end of the high voltage power supply is sandwiched at both ends of the cathode filament and anode target, providing a high voltage electric field to accelerate the active electrons on the filament to the anode target, forming a high-speed electron flow after bombarding the anode target surface. 99% become energy and heat, and 1% become X-rays. And then talk about the working principles. For a moment, X-rays is a form of electromagnetic radiation, similar to visible light. But unlike light, X-rays have a higher energy and can pass through most objects. More specifically, visible light photons and X-ray photons are both produced by the movement of electrons in atoms. Electrons occupy different energy levels or orbitals around the nucleus. When an electron falls into a lower orbit, it releases additional energy in the form of a photon. X-ray photons can pass through the most objects because their energy is so large compared to other waves. However, they can knock the electron out of an atom. Some the energy for the X-ray photon separated the electrons from the atom, and the rest allows the electrons to move freely through the medium. Atoms with larger orbital energy differences can absorb the free electrons because the energy difference is small to the electron carrying energy. But electrons with smaller energy differences cannot be absorbed. The situation of absorption reflects the situation of organizational structure. Conversely, X-rays pass more easily through tissues with lower radiation density, such as fat, muscle, and air-filled cavities such as the lungs. So this makes the structures appear as shades of gray on X-rays and more colorless color. And then talk about the capabilities. Include X-ray radiography, mammography, fluoroscopy, radiation therapy. The first three used is to check the human body, like check the foreign objects or dental problems or certain tumors and other abnormal masses. And then the last one, radiation therapy, is used in cancer treatments, which use the X-rays to destroy cancerous tumors and cells by damaging their DNA. And then talk about the advantages and limitations. The advantage of X-ray include, first, non-invasive. An X-ray can help diagnose a medical issue or monitor treatment progression without the need of physically enter and examine a patient. And second, guiding. An X-ray can help guide a medical professional as they insert catheters, stents, or other devices inside the patient. They can also help in the treatment of tumor and remove blood clots and other similar blockages. And the last one is unexpected finds. And an X-ray can sometimes show up a feature or pathology that is different from the initial reason for the imaging. And they also have some shortcomings and limitations of X-rays. First is the problem that X-rays are in a form of ionizing radiation. When the ordinary light falls in an atom, it doesn't change the atom in any significant way. But when an X-ray hits the atom, it can knock the electrons of the atom, create ions or charged atoms. These free electrons they collide with other atoms to produce more ions. This charge of ion causes unnatural chemical reactions to take place within the cell. In addition, electrical charge can break DNA strands, which can release the DNA either die or mutate. If a large number of cells die, the body can develop various diseases. And to talk about the future development, there have several future developments, like the improved image resolution and quality, advanced imaging techniques, and quantum X-ray imaging, X-ray spectroscopy. And to talk about the X-ray impact to the society and other area, let's first talk about the social implication. With the rapid development of X-ray technology with penetration ability, the use of X-ray to detect explosives and contraband hiding in cargo, luggage, and inside and outside the human body has increasingly become an effective technical means. And in the case of cargo and baggage, the use of X-ray scanning equipment can quickly, accurately detect hiding dangerous goods. And in terms of human security, the use of low-dose X-rays for body scanning can become an indispensable part of a modern security precaution. And with the help of advancing image processing algorithms and automatic recognition systems, intelligent equipment developed based on X-ray technology can more accurately identify various types of explosive and contraband. And also, X-ray have impact on economy. It first reduced the rate of misdiagnosis and treatment cost in the medical field. It makes the medical diagnosis more accurate and efficient. And in the industrial manufacturing, X-ray technology is widely used in material testing, product quality control, and other aspects. It avoids economic losses due to defective products. And that's all. Thanks for listening.